Today we will be doing first the visual impact. We will be talking a little bit about corporate image, corporate dressing. It's all about business dressing. Today we will be talking about, not so much about casual or party dressing.
My messengers go for this competition and all, I tell them don't have a caffeine before you go, because if you're having a shot of coffee, you're kind of ready to go kind of thing.
You're an IPS officer, you're a designer, architect, a teacher, corporate woman, anybody. Elegance for every lady is the same. Poetry in motion.
Hello, my name is Nandini Agarwal. I am from Kolkata. By profession, I am a diamond jewelry manufacturer and a wholesaler. Today I am here to learn about business etiquette by Savoir-Faire Academy.
My name is Shannon Patel and I'm here to attend the workshop of Kankana Bakshi, which is on corporate image. So till now I've learned very minute details about how to present yourself in public, in corporate world, and still be learning.
My name is Chintan Chheda. I have come here to know more about business etiquettes, how to represent myself in front of the business world.
Hello, my name is Anjali Rawat. This workshop was really wonderful and helpful for me. I'm here to improve my business communication and etiquettes.